In this video, you're going to learn how to become an online influencer, how to become an internet influencer, how to become an Instagram or YouTuber, all of that. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Avi Arya, father of 2 girls, 6 dogs, husband to a superwoman, a streetcar racer turned hotelier, now social media marketer, and founder of Internet Moguls. And I'm going to be teaching you something very interesting. So, couple of points. Listen. Why do you want to become an influencer? A, because you think you're going to become famous. People are going to take selfies with you. You're going to love all the accolades and all of that. You know what? That is perfume fame. I call it perfume fame because that fame wears off and there's no magical feeling after some time. If you want the real magical feeling, it happens through this formula that I'm going to tell you. I'm going to also tell you one thing that I've learned from Mr. Kunal Shah, and I've read some of the things that he said. He said that there should be a difference between the signal to the noise ratio, right? The difference between the signal to the noise ratio. How much is the signal that you're sending out to people? And what's the noise on the internet, right? So always keep that in mind. Am I signaling to somebody's sensibilities, or am I getting across to somebody's hearts, or am I making it just a noise ratio? The other thing was that don't be a status chaser. I learned both of these things. I saw an interview and this guy was saying some great things and I thought I should include it in the video. Learnings come from everywhere. I've given him a shout out. Kunal Shah did a great job. He said, don't become a status influencer. And I wanted to elaborate it further and I said, don't become a status chaser. Instead, you become an online helper. Become an online guide, become an online bro, become an online sis, become an online mom, become an online teacher, become an online helper. Because people value helpers on the internet. Everybody is going through some problem. किसी का बिजनेस नहीं चल रहा है तो किसी की अपनी मॉम डैड से नहीं बन रही है तो किसी के घर में प्रॉब्लम है तो किसी का कंप्यूटर टूट गया है तो किसी को बाहर जाना है पढ़ने के लिए तो किसी की साइकिल चोरी हो गई है या किसी को पैसे खत्म हो गए और किसी का स्कूल चेंज हो रहा है उसका राइट कोर्स उसको नहीं पता कौन सा चूज करना है. Everybody is going through some challenge. You need to be the online bro, the online sis, the online guide, the online helper. How do you do that, ladies and gentlemen? You do that by understanding that if you have 4 followers, just imagine you're sitting on this table over here and there are 3 people sitting with you and you have a tuition class running and 4 of them are asking you, bro, tell me what I should do with my relationship, and they're taking notes and they're going to implement it in their lives. Imagine there are 4 people sitting here and they're saying, bro, we're failing in maths, can you help us? And you're like, yes, you're the online sister and you're teaching them, you do this, don't worry, your exam is coming tomorrow, I'll guide you. Imagine you're sitting in a place like this and you have somebody who says, my laptop is broken, I really need it for my school. And you say, okay, don't worry, I'll fix it for you, this is what you do, your hard drive goes here or whatever. And you're helping 4 people and say, okay, now go do your work with your school. Imagine if you're an online tutor like me and you're teaching people how to create their videos and say, this is what you do on YouTube, this is what you do on Instagram, do this, and you start growing. What happens with this community of 4 people? Slowly they say, oh, my brother also wants to learn, my father also wants to learn, and your tuition coaching center has 20, 30, 40, 50, 100 students, and then you have training centers around the world, and then you have, isn't that how a business works? Ladies and gentlemen, but हमने internet पे क्या करना शुरू कर दिया? What have we started doing on the internet? I'm not happy. I don't even have 1 million followers. Everybody has 1 million followers. Look at TikTok. People are going mad. I've got only 700. 700 human beings are going to follow you. Then you want to follow somebody else. And that somebody else wants to follow somebody else. Instead of going upward in that journey, go inside in that journey. And look at those people. Why have they chosen to follow you? Ask them every day a question. Put this post on your Facebook. What are the 3 things I can help you with? And give them 3 options. Can I help you with online maths tuition? Can I help you with whatever? Can I help you with science tuition? If you're a tuition teacher and teaching this up. If I'm a digital marketer, I would say, can I help you grow your online coaching business? Can I help you start your online course? Can I help you with your website traffic? What can I help you with? And people will say, tick. Then I say, fine. Once I get those questions, I'll say, fine. Next post of mine, this will be one poll I'm running, poll number 1. Remember, I'm going to tell you the exact posts to be able to put on the internet to become an online influencer, and then don't say that I don't know what to do. I'm going to give you the exact post. First post is a poll post. 3 questions. Here is the kind of poll post I want you to put. Second, after you get many people responding, then you go and say, ask people, how many people want to attend my session at 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, whatever the time, where you say, my name is Avi Arya, say the Ask Avi Arya show where I'll be answering questions. These very questions that people asked you in the first post, say, I'm going to answer questions on how to start your YouTube channel, how to grow your online course, and how to use videos to grow your sales and leads and become a personal brand in 30 days. Would you like to attend this session from 4 to 5? It's absolutely free. And Put a link, have people register to your Zoom call or your Google Meet or whatever and come in. Say you have 30 people coming. And when those 30 people come in, and it's a live show, It's a live show, they come in and on Instagram or Facebook and you're taking questions from the audience. You take one person and you have him featured in your video and you ask him a question and you give him an answer. Let him go. Let the other person come in, answer his question, take his question, answer it, let him go. Like that for 60 minutes, take 10-15 questions, but don't be in a hurry. Answer everybody's question till the detail, till the guy said, bulb on, this guy taught me. Maza aa gaya, sir, really loved it. Once it's done, you say, guys, ladies and gentlemen, for all of you, I will not be able to take any more questions today. But if you want more, I'm doing another show tomorrow at 4 o'clock or after 2 days or whatever. Do 1 hour of a show every day, like this. Once the show gets over, save your Instagram show and use that content to put as an IGTV content, and then go and put in the description how to become an Instagram influencer in 30 days or whatever topic you covered, and then use the same piece of content, take it to YouTube and break it down, take it to YouTube and put a channel, how to become an Instagram influencer. Then break it down into small parts, the 1 hour interview into small parts. You interview 10 people asked you questions, 10 people give you answers. Break it down into 10 questions and answers and put those as posts on your Instagram and Facebook and LinkedIn and anywhere. And at the end of every post, you say, if you too want to be featured on my show for a question regarding my topic, click on the link, and guess what link you're going to give them? You're going to give them the link to your next Facebook Live or your next Instagram Live. This is called the MVM churner. It's the engine, it's the churner, MVM churner. You keep churning, and what happens when you keep churning? You start seeing results coming in. Yeah, your post to get the poll, then to get the live, then answering people's questions, breaking it down, putting those questions on Instagram, Facebook and everywhere, then re-inviting people. This is the MVM churner wheel, ladies and gentlemen. It's helped a lot of people bring in queries, increase their Instagram followers, do lots of stuff. Now don't ask me, Avi, I'm a realtor, I'm a makeup artist, I'm this, I'm that, I'm that. Doesn't matter. If you're a human being and you want to grow your personal brand and you want to become an influencer, start the MVM churner system. I promise you it will give you results if you follow it the way I'm doing it and do it for at least 30 days. Very easy. All you need to do is do a poll every day, do a Instagram live every day. It takes about 1.5 hours to do the whole system. You will love it. Followers will increase. These will be real followers. At the end, even if you have 200 followers, they will love you. You can launch an ebook, you can do a meetup, you can call them for any part, they will come you. These will be your super fans, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you grow to become an online influencer. I will do a series from 0 to 500, 500 to 1,000, millions. I've not got millions of followers, so I'll do it till the level that I know and I walk the path. But you will love it if you practice it. So follow this system, go back, listen to the video again. Then once you've done it, go to the bottom of the link of the chat, go to the comment section, look at the first post, click on it and download, register for my next webinar where I am doing a 60-minute webinar on how I can teach you become an Instagram influencer, an online influencer using the MVM system. You see what I'm doing? I'm doing the same thing that I told you to do. I'm giving you value and then I'm telling you to come into my system. You come to my webinar, and that webinar I'll give you value. If you like the value, I'll offer you a course and you'll buy my course. It's as simple as that, right? But it won't happen unless I give value to you. So continue, give value, go ahead and try the MVM churner system, come back and let me know how it worked for you. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, hopefully you learned how to become an online influencer the correct way. My name is Avi Arya, father of 2 girls, 6 dogs, husband to a superwoman, a streetcar racer, turned hotelier, now social media marketer, founder of Internet Moguls, signing off for now. Hi everyone, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this video allowed you to have a mind shift to know where you need to go in your journey as an entrepreneur. Now I'm adding a link over here. Please click on this link. I've got the description below as well. Copy this link, paste it in your browser, click. And in this Ask Avi, you're going to find an answer to where you want to go and why you're watching this video. Go ahead and spend your time over there. I'm giving you this link. Click on this link and go find your answer. Thank you very much for watching.